Okay, friend, where are you? Huh? Where are you? This is a small apartment. Huh? Where am I? I'm here. Huh? Hurry, I'm cringe. What's cringe? And why do you look so familiar? I'm Heath's twin. And you want me to force me to watch Emoji Cat, Heath? I could throb all day? No, I got something different. Oh, come on! No!
What if instead of the iPhone, it was the me phone?
I missed you guys. I was so lonely.
I miss you guys. I was so lonely.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear A. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Blockus.
What if Jax burst from your mirror, riding a screaming toaster, launches ferrets at the moon and shouts, "Microwave the galaxy!"
I can't find emoji cat on Google.
What if Jax walked into your shower, fully clothed, handed you a pineapple, and whispered, "Reinstall the sun"?
I can't find emoji cat on Roblox.
Yes, I was mean to Kaylu.
Let's play. Ready? Go! You should fucking kill your...
DJ, hit é o brabo da putaria.
I will faint. Oh, my chests, my chests.
Paused. Nope. I'm ending the video, by the way.